Hello YouTube, Dan O'Hare. Let's take a quick look at this wonderful piece of ingenuity. This is Thor. It's like a thing that weighs about as heavy as Thor's hammer. I'm gonna save this for a little bit. I might use this for a later video. The thing needs some work. You know, the usual. The plugs pretty much chooched. Nice vintage one. It's got the key with it though. Yeah, quite the unique tool. Spin that out and you can spin the handle. Do it back up. This would be a good drill for spinning up some compound or something like that. Spinning up some other stuff. Switch seems to work. I don't know if it'll lock. Oh yeah, it'll lock. As we can see, someone's been at it alright. Different screw there. There's somewhere else that had a different screw in it too. But yeah, I think this might be a good one for a rebuild video at some point. Thor. Yeah, someone's rid her hard and put her away wet. Reworked it a bit. Yep. Maybe something for an interesting rebuild. Clean all the fucking cement off of it. At least the chuck works good. Like it at least spins. It feels like we greased the hell out of it. But yeah, this will be my rebuild project for later. Thor. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dan out.